All right, y'all, let's go ahead and go do these three questions really fast. I'm going to go ahead and skip 3 and 4 as we've been working with those quite a bit. And then that is all you have. So let's do question number 1 first. We have 4x. I'm going to rewrite it. We have 4x plus 13 equals negative 4x plus 13. And let's kind of talk about how to do this. So again, just go through those steps. So do we have any like terms? Yes, we have 4x and negative 4x, and then we have 13 and 13. So let's go ahead and combine those like terms. I'm going to go ahead and add 4x on both sides because we're crossing that wall and I need to combine my x's. So add 4x on both sides. 4x. 4x, okay? 4x plus 4x is going to give us 8x, and then rewrite everything we haven't touched. Positive 13. Again, we still have like terms, so let's go ahead and subtract 13 on both sides because we're crossing that wall. Oh, that was horrible, I'm sorry. There we are. So I'm subtracting 13 on both sides. I'm so sorry, that's hard to read, but that's what I'm doing. I'm subtracting 13. So I'll be left with 8x equals 0. So now a lot of you stop there and you say, oh, it's no solution because you can't have something equal 0. Well, let's finish and see if we can get x. So again, divide everything by 8, isolate that variable still, and you're going to get 0 divided by 8 is going to be x is 0. Well, can x be 0? Is 0 a number? Yes, 0 is a number. So that's just going to give us one solution because x equals one number, right? It only has one answer. X is 0. Let's go ahead and do question number 2. I'm going to go ahead and do the distributive property. We're going to rewrite it. So 8 times x is going to be 8x plus 8 times 2 is going to give you 16, and then rewrite everything we haven't touched. So if you're confused on what I just did, I went ahead and just skipped step 1 and already did the distributive property and multiplied that in. And now let's ask ourselves, do we have like terms? Yes, we have 8x, we have x, and we have 7x, okay? We also have numbers. We have 16, 4, and 4. So let's go ahead and combine our x's first. Let's do this right side. We have x plus 7x. So you'll have 8x plus 16 equals 8x now plus, and we can also go ahead and let's combine our numbers now as well. 4 plus 4 is going to give us 8. So now we're here. We still have like terms, right? We still have our x's. So let's go ahead and subtract 8x on both sides to get rid of our x's. So we're subtracting 8x because we're crossing that wall. So subtract 8x on both sides. And you'll be left, well, I'm hoping you're saying, oh, well, 8x minus 8x, that's a 0, plus 16 equals 8. Y'all, we can stop right there because if you notice how we no longer have a variable, we eliminated our variable, that means x will never equal anything, which means we have no solution, okay? And so we can also continue this just to make sure, but if you look at this, we could combine 0 and 16 now together. So you have 16 equals 8. Well, does 16 equal 8? Is 16 8? The answer is no. So that's no solution. Let's do that last one really fast. So we have negative 4 plus 2x equals, let's go ahead and do the distributive property to skip that step. 2 times x is 2x. And then 2 times negative 2 is going to give you negative 4. Ask yourself, do we have like terms? And of course we do. We have negative 4 and negative 4. And then we have 2x and 2x. Let's go ahead and combine those. So let's go ahead and subtract 2x on both sides. And I hope you're also saying, well, we're about to eliminate our variables again. But look what's going to happen this time. We'll be left with negative 4. 2x minus 2x is 0. We don't need to put that. Equals, again, 2x minus 2x is 0. We don't need to put that. And you're left with negative 4. Well, does negative 4 equal negative 4? Yes, it does. And so because we're getting that, there's going to be infinite many solutions. And what that means is that we can plug in any number for x and it will always work. Well, let me show you. Let's say we decide to plug in, I don't know, 1 for x. Well, 2 times 1 is, again, 2. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. Let's do the other side. 2 times 1 again is 2. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. It will always come out as a true statement. So it was infinite many solutions. If you have any questions or are still confused on these questions down here, please let me know. But have a great day.